mega, mega, compañeros.
Look at him, Omeka. It's a 1 kilometer size large UFO is just coming down. And the time is now 4:08 a.m. I leave like that and you guys can see the date and the time this time. Just as zoom out, you can see guys the mountain and even a time and a date. Just to show you, you guys can see now everything. Over Mexico, the 3rd of January 2015, and the time it's, here you can see, it's 13 or 14 past 4 a.m. I make a little bit brighter and maybe you can see guys, that's a volcano and this object is just hovering there and now it's 17 minutes, it's still there, stationary above the volcano, and you can see the volcano side here. It's very dark but the object is very, very bright, large. Looks like stationary. Now they're going to light them up a mountain. It's a huge mothership. Everybody's sleeping that time over Mexico. I make a little bit darker now. You can see the mountain side and have a look how big is it. Very, very large. Very, very large. Please try to measure the size of this one here. It's roughly 2 kilometers. On that side of the mountain. Have a look how big is that the object. Which one is coming down. I make it a little bit brighter so you can see him. The camera is Omeka. I move the camera a little bit sidewise like that. There's huge energy and huge lights, very, very big bright lights. That's more than 2 kilometers large UFO just in the near to the camera and above the volcano. Just have a look at top section, the date and the time. Now it's coming down. I make it a little bit darker because then you can't see that the mountain because that's bright, and just start filming like that. Now they start to moving down. Now very close to the crater, very close to the volcano. I make it just a touch, just a little bit brighter. Now it's right above the volcano. Just wondering, they go behind the volcano or front of a volcano, near to the camera. I can say just beautiful. I make a little bit darker so you can see how they looks like. Just to make an exposure. You can see the contour of the craft. Just right above the volcano now. I got a strong feeling they go behind the mountain. Everybody sleeping that time over Mexico, and look at what happened. That UFO, it's a huge, very, very big, very large. Now you can see the mountain. I can zoom on it a little bit. Now they just lit them up a whole mountain. They just go behind the mountain to the Popocatepetl Volcano. The camera, it's Omeka, Omeka. Lots of strange things happened around Omeka today, and now you can see, guys, that's a big surprise. I got a strong fear they're going to just avoid the big eruption, but somebody measured them. It's they said in the soon we get a big eruption and earthquake. It's like in the 11 degree or something. It's very big, 11 to the Richter scale. They just go behind the mountain. Look at how big bright lights. They lit them up a whole mountain. I never think about it. I have a chance to filming like that. I make a little bit more darker and have a look now the shape. Have a look at shape now. And look at the color. Look at the color now. I made frame by frame. Now you can see, guys, how they're moving down. That's like a bean-shaped UFO. That's, guys, how you can see the more than 1 kilometer big UFO. More than 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer or more. They're just hovering above the volcano. They're going back. They're coming down and then now they're going back again. That's a breaking news, guys. They are appeared again and they are exist. What NASA hiding to us. You can see now the real thing, guys, in my channel. Now they're moving down on the side. Now, guys, you can see that the bean-shaped UFOs, the real size and real shape. And you can see, guys, the little UFOs just there, around them. You can see the color that the UFO getting smaller and smaller and have a look, maybe they're going to disappearing. Yes, how I said yes. Now I was very lucky. I captured them how they appeared and how they disappearing too. And look at the time and the date. You still can see the massive lights behind the mountain. And have a look now. Just I zoom on it. And have a look now at the whole mountain. And they just lit them up like that. So I left them in that full date and a time on it. I didn't move the camera, and you can see now how bright lights they made. They went behind the mountain. And look at how many little UFO around them, in front of a volcano. You can see here too. And one UFO, you can see, guys, of this side, you can see the red-orange color, and they go inside the crater. The camera is Omeka. Need me.